Hi guys, this is Orindam and in this video let's do the unboxing of both Rockerz 295 version 2. On the last few days I was looking for a Bluetooth neckband earphone. I have researched a lot and that only increased my confusion. I am confused on OnePlus Bluetooth Wireless G and Boat 255 Pro. Then recently Boat has released a new headphone on Amazon Prime Day sale and they're providing a very good specs, like in 20 minutes of charging it will provide you 10 hours of battery backup, and beside this IPX7 for sweat and water resistant and a 10 mm big driver. Let's quickly unwrap the plastic coating. In the box, at first you can see the image of the earphone. At the side we can see Bluetooth version 5.0, a sharp charge, Qualcomm power chipset, CBC call noise isolation, immersive audio and dual pair support. Here is the Boat branding, and on the other side up to 12 hours of non-stop battery backup, dual equalizer mode, call vibration alert, single press voice assistant, high grade finish and lightweight design. At the top of the box here is the design of the headphone and they say tune up the vibe. Here are the different colors available and model number of the headset. Here you can see the price of the headset, which is 4,990 rupees, but I bought this headset from the Amazon at 1,498 rupees. Here are some other specs they mention. Now quickly unbox it and let's see what inside the box. Beside the earphone, they provide one user manual guide, one catalog, some extra ear hooks and ear tips, one micro USB charging cable and 1 year warranty card. Now coming to the earphone and pull them out from the packaging. The earphone feels so premium and the earphone is not so rigid. The build quality of the earphone is very good. Talking about weight of the earphone, it weighs around 40 grams and the angled ear tips look so comfortable. There is the Boat logo on the earbuds. There is metallic strip over here on the both sides. And here you can see the Boat branding on the metallic strip. There are 4 buttons over here. At first the power on off button, volume down, volume up, and last one for the bass mode and normal mode. On heavy press on the power button, the headphone getting on. And again on long press, the headphone getting off. Let me show you the pairing speed with my Android smartphone. Here you can see it's connected now, and it's also show the battery percentage. I forgot to tell, it has magnetic earbuds like other Bluetooth headphones. I had 2-3 songs in it. The sound quality is pretty good and pretty decent in it.